So now let us see the fourth question, that is, if a equals to 2 plus root 5 by 2 minus root 5 and b equals to 2 minus root 5 by 2 plus root 5, then it is asked to find the value of a square minus b square. Okay, you observe children, a is given 2 plus root 5 by 2 minus root 5. If you square a to get a square, the denominator of a is 2 minus root 5. Again by squaring by same 2 minus root 5, again you get irrational number. So a square also it will be irrational number. Okay, whereas b is given 2 minus root 5 upon 2 plus root 5. By multiplying again by same b, 2 plus root 5 and 2 plus root 5, we multiply the denominators, again you get the irrational numbers. Again you need to rationalize both of them separately. So instead of doing that, so let us find first, let us rationalize the denominator first itself. So here as well as here. So we are doing in this way. A value it is given. So let us first rationalize the denominator of a, that is 2 plus root 5 upon 2 minus root 5. The rationalizing factor of 2 minus root 5 is 2 plus root 5. So we need to multiply both numerator and denominator by 2 plus root 5 by 2 plus root 5. So now you can check each one is rationalizing factor of other one. So it is 2 plus root 5 into 2 plus root 5, like a plus b into a plus b. So we can write a plus b whole square, whereas down part, denominator part, 2 minus root 5 into 2 plus root 5, 2 minus root 5 into 2 plus root 5. Next step, let us apply the identities. So what is a plus b whole square? A square plus 2ab plus b square. It is in the form of a minus b into a plus b, that is a square minus b square. So two identities we need to apply here. So let us write a plus b whole square, a square, that is 2 square, plus b square, that is root 5 whole square, plus 2ab, 2 into a into b, that is 2 into root 5. That means we applied a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab upon, now the denominator part, it is in the form of a minus b into a plus b, the identity is a square minus b square. So here a is 2, a square will be 2 square, minus b is 5, root 5. So b square will be root 5 whole square. So coming to the next step, what we get? So you mention the identities whatever you applied, because a plus b whole square equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. You can write a square plus 2ab plus b square also according to the situation. Whereas a minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square. So this, whatever the identities we applied here, we mentioned there. Now coming to the next step. So here 2 square we get 4, plus root 5 whole square we get 5, 4 plus 5 plus 2 into 2 4 root 15 upon, this 4 into 5, 4 root 5 upon, here 2 square is 4 minus root 5 square we get 5, 4 minus 5. That implies 4 plus 5 is 9, 9 plus 4 root 5. These two you should not add, children, because they are unlike terms. This is rational, this is irrational. 4 minus 5 we get minus 1. Since the denominator is minus, so we get 9, 4 root 5 both get minus symbol. That implies minus 9 minus 4 root 5. What is this minus 9 minus 4 root 5? It is the value of a. Only the thing here, we rationalize the denominator. If you rationalize the denominator, denominator has been rationalized, that is 1. But whereas numerator has become a rational number. Okay, fine. This is the value of a. Let us give a reference number, that is 1. Now let us take b also. So b is given here 2 minus root 5 by 2 plus root 5. So similarly, whatever we applied here, same let us do that. So 2 minus root 5 upon 2 plus root 5. So the rationalizing factor of 2 plus root 5 is 2 minus root 5. So let us multiply both by 2 minus root 5. Here itself let us write that. So here I am writing direct step, that is a minus b whole square. A minus b into a minus b, we get a square plus b square minus 2ab minus 2 into root 5. Whereas here a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. So you can mention the identities whatever you applied here. One is a minus b whole square, that is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Another one is a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square. You need to mention aside. Now let us simplify this. We get 4 plus 5 minus 4 root 5 upon 4 minus 5. Again here we get the denominator minus 1. So let us write numerator, that is 9 minus 4 root 5 upon minus 1. So 9 minus 4 root 5 upon minus 1, how you can write as minus 9. So minus 4 root 5 will be multiplied by minus, so that we get plus 4 root 5. So this is the value of b. So that we have given with the second reference number. So now it is asked to find a square minus b square. So what is a square minus b square identity again? A plus b into a minus b. So let us do that also. First let us find a plus b. A value we have got here minus 9 minus 4 root 5 plus, okay, a plus b. A we have written plus b value just now we have got, that is minus 9 plus 4 root 5. Just you remove the bracket, children. Minus 9 minus 4 root 5 plus of minus 9, that is again minus 9, plus into plus, that is plus 4 root 5. So here you observe, children, clearly one is positive plus 4 root 5, one is negative minus 4 root 5. That is these two will get cancelled. Minus 9 is minus 18. What is this minus 18? That is the value of a plus b. So similarly let us find the value of a minus b. A minus b equals to a value minus 9 minus 4 root 5 minus 9 plus 4 root 5. So same, a and b values we have written same, but whereas instead of plus we have written minus, because we are going to find a minus b. So remove the brackets. Minus 9 minus 4 root 5. So since we are multiplying by minus, so the signs of second term will be changed. Minus into minus plus 9, minus into plus minus 4 root 5. Obviously here we get minus 9 plus 9 will get cancelled. Minus 4 root 5 minus 4 root 5, we get minus 8 root 5. Because minus 4 is minus 8. Now coming to a square minus b square part. We know very well that a square minus b square can be written as a plus b into a minus b. So what is a plus b here? That is minus 18. A minus b is minus 8 root 15. So let us multiply both. Minus 18 into minus 8 root 15. It is 15 not 5. Minus root 5. So here minus into minus we get plus 18 8s are 144. So plus 144 root 5. This is the value of a square minus b square.